Hey there, gamers! Today, we're diving into an epic showdown between two powerhouses, the ROG Ally and the Nintendo Switch OLED. I'm here to break down the features, performance, and overall gaming experience of these handheld consoles. Let's start with the unboxing experience. The ROG Ally arrives in a premium, hefty package, exuding power and strength. On the flip side, the Nintendo Switch OLED embraces a vibrant and colorful presentation, reminiscent of a fun-filled Christmas morning. But where these devices truly shine is in their audio and screen performance. The ROG Ally delivers an audio experience that's leagues ahead with higher volume, crispness, and punchiness, while the Nintendo Switch OLED, though improved, offers a decent set of speakers. When it comes to the display, the Ally's 1080p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate surpass the Switch's 720p display with more vibrant colors and better contrast. Accessories play a vital role in enhancing the gaming experience. While the ROG Ally offers specific gaming accessories like wireless earphones and a customizable controller, the Switch's vast ecosystem provides more options at budget-friendly prices. Moreover, when it comes to portability, the Switch takes the lead with its compact size and lighter build, making it more comfortable for extended gaming sessions. Control-wise, the Switch's controls may feel slightly flimsy, but the Ally's buttons and joysticks offer better responsiveness and a more robust feel. However, the Switch faces issues like Joy-Con drift, which is non-existent in the ROG Ally. But the real game changer here is the software. The Switch runs Nintendo's refined OS, providing a seamless gaming experience, whereas the Ally's Windows-based system offers flexibility, but comes with compatibility challenges and less refinement. In conclusion, both devices bring unique strengths to the table. The Nintendo Switch OLED boasts a comfortable and polished gaming experience, with a vast game library tailored to its system. On the other hand, the ROG Ally packs superior hardware, incredible performance, and audio-visual prowess, but faces challenges in portability, software compatibility, and user experience refinement. So, which one suits your gaming style better? The polished versatility of the Nintendo Switch OLED or the raw power and performance of the ROG Ally? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming showdowns and tech insights. Until next time, happy gaming.